Good morning, guys. I am solo this morning. The wife and family decided that they did not want to go with me this morning because they were tired. And I get it. It's early. It's Wednesday morning. And there's one yard sale we're going to go to. So, who knows? I'm going to drive 45 minutes to this one yard sale. And then after I leave the yard sale, I've got a few thrift stores I want to check out and see that I've never been to. And hopefully we find some gold mines. So anyway, we're going to see what kind of good deals we can find. So stay tuned and cue the intro.
Hello and welcome to the Thrifty Pickers. My name is Trent. This is my wife, Brooke. We have two amazing kiddos named Tori and Ty, and we're the Hells. We go from yard sales to thrift stores and everything in between. So tag along with us on this epic adventure and see just how we turn everyday yard sales into money in the bank. You too can be a thrifty picker. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get this party started right now.
Alright, good morning, guys. We are here at this first yard sale, so let's do this. Good morning. You doing all right this morning? That's good. That's good. How much are you asking on your bats?
$2 each.
$2 each? How much you asking on your shirts? $30. All right, I think I'm ready. Yeah, $1. My wife always loses them, and my daughter can never find her ponytails. Yeah. All right.
$20.75.
$20.75. Will you do 20?
Sure will.
That way we don't have to break a 75. All right, awesome. Overall, it was a pretty good haul for a yard sale that I didn't know if I wanted to come to or not. So so far so good. Now let's go hit them thrift stores up and see what we can find. All right, guys. It's yard sale number 2. Good morning.
Maybe it's large, a different kind of large.
Any Legos? Any Nerf
There's
guns?
some girl Legos in that box.
Yeah,
right
hey, that's really cool. I bought this for my girls.
there. Only a girl
for
set though.
Christmas, and they
Okay.
never. But it's a park. You know,
A park.
a Ferris wheel and all that.
Is it all there?
What's that?
Probably.
They've never even touched it. They've never. I mean, you're more
Probably.
than welcome to check it out. I think I paid at least 40, if not more than that, because it was like 150.
How much do you want for it?
To give, because yeah, I can't guarantee you it's there, but it's been up in their room and they've never even put it together.
Okay.
They acted like they were going to put it together when I put it out.
A Ferris wheel.
They're not.
Okay.
I may have a box of Legos. I probably could get a box of just Legos about this size because they have so many that you could
Okay.
buy.
Okay.
If you're interested in just Lego, just, you know, not a set or anything. Laura,
Yeah, that's fine.
you want to do that? Let me go get it. Let me go ask them.
How
what
much will you
Legos.
do on these?
20?
You do 15?
You could do 15.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see. I feel like that's a good
Because
deal.
I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if it's all there or not.
Oh, we don't either.
All right, I'm gonna set my stuff right here.
Yeah.
Will you do $1 for this box of cords?
Sure
All
will.
right.
They were only 10 cents a piece, so I feel like
$1's good?
$1's good because there's probably about 10 of them in there.
All right.
I don't know how much cord should be, but I said
I don't either. It's,
clean 10 pounds without
good deal.
all right. Good morning. Doing all right?
I was, but I got over it.
I hear you.
Took me a while.
I understand that.
It's a little kid tea set.
No, Pete.
There we go. Nissan Titan leveling kit.
Very safe.
How much are you asking on this right here?
Make an offer. I don't know how much they are.
I don't even have a Nissan Titan.
I want to know where it comes from.
You would have to
You do $2 on it?
$2 sounds good.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it says make offer on it.
Congratulations on yours. Thank you.
Are you ready to settle up?
Sure.
All right. It was 15 for the box,
Okay.
and then 2,
16, 17, 18, 19, 25.
Look at us.
19, 25. Let's do 20.
What was in here?
All right, thank you. That's the Legos.
That's the Lego
15
stuff.
bucks for her
Okay.
Legos.
I thought that looked familiar.
Sound good? We good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank
All
you.
right.
You sure you don't need help?
I got it.
Have a great
Thank you.
day.
You too. Good luck on your yard sale. It's a pretty good haul. Plus, I seen a cell phone charger in there that'll match my cell phone. And I'm not real sure about these Legos, but we'll have to check and see. That Monopoly Fortnite game, that's going to sell pretty easy. So far so good, man. Alright guys, we're here at the Goodwill. We're gonna go in here and see what good deals we can find. Good morning. You doing all right this morning? Yeah, doing pretty good. My camera battery died, so you didn't get to see the total at the Goodwill, but it was $20.75. So anyway, we are here at the Salvation Army. We're going to try to go in here and see what we can get here. So let's go. All right, guys. It's hot wearing that mask. About to die. Anyway, we're leaving the Salvation Army, and I looked and looked and looked and looked, and I found some Wii games, and I thought, man, that's good. And then whenever I opened them up, they were all scratched up real bad. I found the complete first, second, third, and fourth seasons of CSI. and I thought, well, that might be pretty good. And then I comped them and looked up how much they were going for, and about $15, and it was going to cost me about $15 to get them. So anyway, I did buy that little CD player right there. I don't know if it works or not. I did find a power cord for it, so if it works, great. I'll use it around the house. Anyway, I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go get something to eat.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Don't forget to smash that like button for me and subscribe to our channel. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you. You've seen the comps for how much money that I listed the items for. I went ahead and put it in the clips. That way you could see whenever I purchased the item how much I actually listed it for. So anyway, I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing, and there's going to be more content coming regularly, so just keep an eye out. And until next time, remember, be safe, be honest, and keep picking.